Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Shaurya Khatri of Sunbeam School, Mughal Sarai. Today I am going to present you the modulus operator of Python. This is the modulus operator. This is represented by a percentage sign. So now I am going to write the code of modulus operator in Python. This is the code. Now I will write the output which you will get by running the code. Here A refers 15, B refers 4, C refers B divided by A and its modulus, which now here print C means this the value of modulus will be printed as output here. You can see the output is 3. Thank you.